Alright, Wednesday, September 27th, out here at Holland Road. Construction progress on the new bridge. I think they got the deck. The deck is starting to take shape. And the rails will be put in at some point. Another month and 10 days before it opens to the public, or before it's scheduled to open to the public, bearing the weather. Which I have a feeling it's going to be delayed a lot before the opening. Yeah, you never know. It may open on time. Had a real nice stretch of weather next week, so that'll help. That'll be in their favor. Alright, here you go.